Can you fetch me a glass of water?
Fetch means to go and retrieve something. In this context, fetch means to go get a glass of water and bring it back to the person who made the request.
Don't neglect your health.
Neglect means to fail to take proper care of something. In this context, it means not to ignore or disregard one's health and well-being.
I will cherish these memories forever.
Cherish means to treasure or hold something dear. In this sentence, it means that the speaker will deeply value and keep these memories for a lifetime.
I'll navigate while you drive.
Navigate means to plan or direct the course of a journey. In this context, it means that the speaker will provide directions or guidance to the driver while they operate the vehicle.
We should recycle plastic to reduce pollution.
Recycle means to convert waste materials into reusable resources. Here, it means to process plastic waste so that it can be used again, which helps in decreasing pollution.
He generously donated money to the charity.
Generously means in a kind or abundant manner. In this sentence, it describes how he contributed a significant amount of money to the charity.
The sun gradually set behind the horizon.
Gradually means in a slow and steady manner. In this context, it describes how the sun descended slowly and steadily as it disappeared below the horizon.
The firefighter bravely rescued the trapped cat from the burning building.
Bravely means with courage and fearlessness. In this context, it describes how the firefighter demonstrated courage while saving the trapped cat from the fire.
The dog faithfully followed its owner wherever they went.
Faithfully means with loyalty and commitment. In this context, it describes how the dog showed unwavering loyalty by always staying by its owner's side.
The driver cautiously navigated through the dense fog, prioritizing safety.
Cautiously means with carefulness and prudence. In this context, it describes how the driver proceeded with caution through the thick fog, emphasizing the importance of safety.
The rain poured down from the dark clouds, drenching everything in sight.
Pour means to flow or fall in a steady stream. In this sentence, it describes how the rain fell heavily from the dark clouds, soaking everything around.
Despite the challenges, she persisted with unwavering determination to achieve her goals.
Despite means in spite of or regardless of. In this sentence, it highlights how she continued with firm resolve and commitment despite facing difficulties.
The detective found the missing clues and solved the case.
Clues, pieces of evidence or information that help in solving a mystery or puzzle. In this context, clues refer to the items or details that help the detective solve the case.
He composed a catchy tune on the guitar.
Composed, to create or write a piece of music. In this sentence, composed means to create or come up with a memorable and appealing musical melody on the guitar.
The doctor examined the patient and prescribed medication.
Examined, to carefully inspect or assess someone or something. In this context, examined means that the doctor thoroughly assessed the patient's condition through a medical examination and then recommended or prescribed appropriate medication.
The chef prepared a delicious meal with fresh ingredients.
Ingredients, the items or substances used to make a dish or recipe. In this sentence, ingredients refer to the various fresh items or substances that the chef used to cook a tasty meal.
The coach strategized a game plan for the team to win the match.
Strategized, to plan or develop strategies or tactics. In this sentence, strategized means that the coach developed a plan or approach for the team to achieve victory in the match.
He analyzed the data to draw meaningful conclusions for his research.
Analyzed, To examine or study data to understand its significance. In this sentence, analysed means that he carefully studied the data to draw important and relevant conclusions for his research.